Okay, good morning, students. My name is V. Jyoti, lecturer in geology. I am from Government Degree College for Women, Siddipet. Okay, today topic is fishes. Okay, some here we observe two. Osteon means a bone and ichthys means a fish. So Osteichthyes skeleton made up of bone. So skeleton is made up of bone. We observe this bone. Okay. Okay, we need Osteichthyes, Chondrichthyes. We all know it. So this type we observe. Next, kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordator, subphylum Vertebrator, class Osteichthyes. Osteichthyes means bony fishes. Okay, made up of skeleton is bone. Next, history. What was history? Okay, the fishes fossils are observed in Silurian. Okay, mid Devonian period. Next, Actinopterygii. Actinopterygii. Next, Scarpopterygii. Actinopterygii, ray-finned fishes, and Scarpopterygii, lobe-finned fish. Okay, some Silurian fossils will be, and mid-Devonian is it's a golden period. Okay, some example is Devonian Sarcopteryges, some lungfishes, and some living fossils. Some living fossils are appear. Some Rhipidestians. A paraphyletic on the line of some tetrapodites. Early Actinopterygian, heavy bone scales over the whole body and large bone plate over the head region. Okay, next important is the importance some the shocks and rays. We observe this Chondrichthyes, some Chondrichthyes fishes, shock fishes and ray fishes we observe. Some lungfishes also we observe, and different type of fishes also study this point. Okay, classification of it in fishes: 45 order and 435 families of bony fishes. Okay, Sarcopterygi and Actinopterygi. Okay, this Sarcopterygi is Lepidus cinereferum. Okay, some example. Okay. Okay, fishes general characters. Fishes are first evoluted in Silurian period of Paleozoic era. They included their number in Devonian period. So it called Devonian period is a golden age. Okay, golden age. Okay, take two pencil. So we observe Devonian period and this Paleozoic era, Silurian. Okay, first evolved Silurian period and Paleozoic era and golden period is a Devonian. So PD we observe PD, Paleozoic era origin or Silurian. Then another is Devonian period is the golden age of fish. Fishes are first jaw jaw is appeared. So jaw vertebrates. Jaw means we know it. Fishes are jaw. Okay, upper and inner jaw. And next they constitute 40% of vertebrates. Okay, next they have cool-blooded vertebrates. Okay, in vertebrate 40% occupy the fishes. Okay, cold-blooded. Okay, great variation in size. Smallest fish Pleidosepris progenerica. Largest fish Rhinodon typis is another name. Whale shark is blue whale. Ichthyology. Okay. Ichthyology, study of fishes. Okay. Ornithology, study of aves. Okay. Okay, so this fish. Okay, mouth. We observe two jaws are there, maxillary, mandible. We observe maxillary upper part, mandible is inner. Okay, so dorsal side we observe eye, operculum. There are observe lateral line to observe to temperature. Okay, spinny and dorsal fin and the caudal fin, tail region is called caudal fin. Okay, now in ventral side we observe pectoral fin in near to in face. Okay, this body is covered with scales and another one is pelvic fin. This anal fin will appear in fin, anal fin. Okay, next fishes general characters. Fishes character. Fishes are aquatic acid. Some sorry Fishes aquatic, cold-blooded, plagiotheraphic, ectotherm. Okay, picotheraphic means a cold-blooded animal, or ectothermic is both the same word. Their body is divisible into head, trunk, tail, neck, but neck is absent. Head, trunk, tail is present in body. It has a streamlinear spindle shaped, spindle shaped body. It is help to swim. It helps to swim. Skin contains multicellular mucosous gland lubricate. Skin release mucosous is called lubricate. Exoskeleton. Dermal scales. Exoskeleton, like some dermal scale bony plates or appear some bone like. We know flockhide scales, ctenoid scales, gonad scales, and cycloid scales also we observe. Some bony fishes is as an example endoskeleton. Endoskeleton is appear. Vertebrae. Some exoskeleton is dermal scales, bony scales, and some endoskeleton is bone and cartilages. Some vertebrae. Both side of concave is appearance, so is called amphicoel. Amphi means both side concave. Ribs are present. Pectoral and pelvic girdle support paid fin. Important. Pelvic girdle support to paid fin. Dorsal, anal, caudal fin unpaid. Unpaid. And pelvic girdle supported paid fin, but dorsal, anal, caudal unpaid. Next one is pectoral pelvic fins paid fin. External nostrils are appear. External appear and open into a blind nostril sacs. Internal nostril present in osteolipids and dipnoid. And dipnoid. Internal nostril present in osteolipids and dipnoid. Some fishes general characters. Coelom consists of small pedunculated cavity and large pleuroperitoneal cavity contains all viscera except kidneys. Two are separated by septum transversum dentation like a homodont, acrodont, and polypleodont. Spiral valve in intestine increases absorptive area. So the general fishes general some another. Okay, this is we observe the scales, the cycloid scales to observe this diagram showing the overlapping pattern. Okay, the cycloid scales and some gills also appear. These are gills. So the body is covered by scales. They are floccoid scale, cycloid scales, and some ctenoid scale, gonoid scale. So floccoid, cycloid, ctenoid, gonoid scales are four types of scales are present in fishes. Also, scales are similar tooth formation. Odontoblasts cells form two floccoid scales. Some odontoblasts to help to this type of scale formation. Respiratory gills, respiration. Gills are the extension for the pharynx. Elasmobranchus fishes. The gills will open separate in bony fishes. The gill slits are covered by operculum. Okay, the gill slits are covered by operculum. Okay, next. Floccoid scales. Okay, we observe these floccoid scales like comb, just comb like appears with floccoid scale, and some ctenoid scales also comb like gonoid scales. Okay, this type of scales. Okay, the head paired with nostril are present in internal nostril or offset. In dipnoi, internal nostril are present. So dipnoi fishes are long fishes. On the head, a pair of eyes is present. On the lateral side of the body, lateral line senses organ are present. They detect the pressure change of water for water. Fish's general characters. Okay, the body shows paired and unpaired fins. Pelvic and pectoral fins are paired. Dorsal and ventral fins are unpaired. They maintain balance in water. They are useful for locomotion. The digestive system is well developed. in the intestine of shark scroll valve is present. The nervous system contains brain and spinal cord. Brain is small and it will not occupy the entire cranial cavity. 10 pairs of cranial nerves. The important point is 10 pairs of cranial nervous system. Kidney are mesonephric. Okay, and urinary bladder is absent. The skeleton of some fishes is made up of cartilages. They are also called cartilaginous fish. In some fishes, the skeleton is made up of bone. They are called bony fishes. Some fishes, water fishes, accessory respiratory organ are present. They will take breath and aerial respiration. Separate sex are male sharks and claspers are present. Many fishes are oviparous. Some fishes are viviparous. Okay. In the development of fishes, ammonia is not developed. Hence, these animals are called amniotic fluids. So, amniotic fluid is absent. So, it called fishes classification. The superclass Gnatostomata include craniates, in which one pair of visceral arches is modified into this jaw. They show internal ear with 3 semicircular cranials and provided with paired 4 appendages. Fins or limbs. 6 are separated. There are some fishes and tetrapod. Fishes classification: Placoderm, Elasmobranchi, Ostringthys. Fishes classification. Fishes include 3 classes: Placoderm, Elasmobranchi, Ostringthys. Muller, Goodrichberg, Romer, etc. classified the fishes. There is no agreement among many authors with respect to the classification of fishes. Class 1, Placoderm. It includes excepting fishes. They are all ornate fishes. Their exoskeleton in the form of bony plate are shown. Their endoskeleton is born. The hyoidine gills light or complete in not reduce. So these fishes, Climatius bodioleptis is example is exiting streso primitive jaw are present. Okay, next counting this elasmobranchi. These fishes are exclusively marine. The exoskeleton in the form of flocked scales. The endoskeleton is cartilaginous and or called cartilage. Jaw suspension is epistylic or hyostalic. 5 to 7 pairs of gills are present. External gills opening or separate. They are not covered by operculum. Okay, is important of male shows clasper for copulation. Okay, air bladder is absent in these fishes. The class Elasmobranchi is divided into two subclasses. Some Protosellaci and Eusellaci. Okay, this fish Fluorotemata. Example, this Fluorotemata pectoral fin. Okay, example, Scoliodon. Okay, hammer head snake is called Sperna. Tiger shark is the Stygostoma. Here, Scoliodon is a Fluorotemata. Okay, next we have this. Scoliodon is called dogfish. Okay, this dogfish. Dogfish have the flocked scale and this region of head, mouth, gill slit, eye, and pectoral fin, dorsal fin, caudal fin also observe this. It's a border. Okay, some fishes like hypothermata. Example, Pristis. It's called shrawfish and Rhinobatus. Goiterfish, torpedo, electric ray, and Raja Stax. These holocephaly, some fishes is appearing. Okay, called king of herrings. Okay, this king of herrings. Devilfish also say devilfish is holocephaly. Okay, thank you this giving opportunity, giving this time.